We live in a world of total surveillance, where all our actions leave traces that are collected to feed big data massives. Lack of privacy is becoming a norm, and confidentiality a thing of the past. We feel that such a state of affairs cannot continue for long, and our answer is Utopia. Utopia is the culmination of a multi-year effort by the 1984 Group, a network of technology enthusiasts dedicated to freedom of self-expression and privacy. It combines tools of different categories products, all of this in a safe environment where your data cannot be hacked, censored, or intercepted. With Utopia, you can send instant text and voice messages, transfer files, create groups, chats, and channels in complete online anonymity. All communication is secure and protected by Curve 25519 high-speed elliptic curve cryptography, while local storage is encrypted by 256-bit AES. The Umail is a decentralized alternative to conventional email that supports any type of files and is fully secure. All of this with a wide choice of smiles and emoticons. With the built-in image viewer, you can see your photos and images and share them with other users. Our financial functionality can be found in Utopia's built-in U-Wallet and is based in blockchain. Our users can make and accept payments in Utopia's own cryptocurrency called Crypton. You can use Crypton to accept payments at your website, pay by crypto cards without revealing your public key, or bill fellow Utopia users for your services. Utopia rewards users that support the ecosystem through mining by emission of new Cryptons. We use proof of mining in our blockchain-based process, which encrypts and secures data communication to prevent third parties from reading your private messages. Plus, mining does not slow your computer down and is environmentally friendly. With Utopia P2P network, each user participates in the transmission of data by anonymously surfing the Utopia ecosystem using the built-in idle browser, a great alternative to the Thor browser.